well dealt with. Or oh, he's not going to get that. Careful. What a serve. It's a good way, just found it again. He's lands this one safely, just about, I think. Yeah, Alcaraz scuffing out the mark. It is the opening set to Nicolas Jarry.
30s on your own game.
Crafts a nice point here. He's very much fired up. He wants an early break. How's that for a reaction? Redirected perfectly. Away that goes. The immediate response. Too hot to handle. Laser.
Difficult for Alcaraz to react.
Oh. Delicately done.
As what we saw in that tiebreaker, just to float the return deep, and then from there he can defend and doesn't allow for him to kind of get into the point.
What a crafty shot that is.
30 minutes or?
Look at that.
He's hit more drop shots than Alcaraz had.
Oh, very good return. an amazing point.
Like that, which is just hard hitting, defending, just manoeuvring around the court. Absolutely the way Jerry wants to take this. He just needs to take it.
Oh, he's got it.
15-13.
Yeah, he's not going to get to that, Jerry. Perfectly played.
I mean, to save a drop shot for now, I think this is the first one he's actually pulled off.
Alcaraz chases it down.
Jeez Louise, how does he get to that?
Oh, that's amazing. Nicolas Jarry
Firing up. I mean, look at that shot. That thing just died.
15-0.
That's back to the scheduled programming. That's more.
Oh, that ball.
Yeah, he fancies this game, doesn't he? Oh, he fancied it for a moment, but Nicolas Jarry. Brilliant start for Jarry. Ooh, what a return.
0-30.
Fantastic return there. I don't think that at all.
How good is that? Oh, he's made this as well.
This is ridiculous.
How much Jarry has to do to win a point right now.
I mean, the level of hitting here, and what, as you said, what Jarry has to do to get the point won.
And Jarry gets it. Number one. He's closing in on a victory against the world number 2.
Enough. What a serve, what a forehand.
What a serve to find. made it. Nicolas Jarry says it's long. The umpire will confirm if that is the case. It is.
Oh.
Nowhere safe.
It was a good smash, but you expect him to make that.
Miraculous. They rise for Carlos Alcaraz.
Fantastic. The forehand, okay, solid. The volley was incredible. The volley was incredible.
He went for the lob again. This time, Jarry. How many questions you have to answer, Alcaraz. It is Nicolas Jarry who conjures up the biggest win of his career. He is too hot to handle for Carlos Alcaraz. Straight sets for the Chilean, who makes it to the final.